Hello guys. Well, would you look at this? Our friend Geoff has been at it again, and this is his latest creation. Isn't it amazing? This started off as an engine on our good friend John's workbench. He is one talented guy. He has taken essentially a basket case Vincent Rapide, and he's combined it with the special project bike, as we call it, the Ducati Vincent, or Ducent, and he's made this special Vincent Rapide. And he's done it in just record time. We're getting ready to go to a rally, and there'll be more filming on that, but this is the result. As you can see, we have Series B features, and specifically the Brampton front forks and rear end, and then a Series C Rapide engine acquired from our friend John. And this is the result. It's a red Rapide engine, hence the red gas tank. And this is from what they call the transition year, meaning that stamps and logos have all been removed. Here's another example of that with the timing case, and then the rocker cover caps. And I don't know if you've spotted it yet, but the most notable difference with this bike is that it has an electric starter. So Geoff spent a ton of time and effort, and working with a good friend of ours, Bob, to machine, engineer and install this electric starter into his bike. Do you need help?
I don't think so. Yes, I've gotten it down a couple of times before without dropping it, but you know, there's always the first time.
Is there a special starting procedure then with the electric start? Geoff, do you have to kick it over a few times, or?
I don't know it well.
All right.
I mean, the first time I started it, I kick-started it. It kick-starts easily, but I don't know. This will be the first time I'm going to attempt to just electric start it. Wow.
Yeah.
I'll push the magic button. Whoop.
No bad leg with this one. Oh my gosh, no leg problems with this one.
Yeah.
That's amazing, Geoff. Amazing.
Well, if it stopped raining, I'll put some gear on and take it for a quick little...
Take it for the first
just
ride?
up and down the street.
Yeah,
just to
yeah,
make sure.
sure.
It rolls down the road.
Yeah, of course.
I'm fairly confident it will, because I have run it through the gears and the clutch does work.
How was it, Geoff?
Went like a Vincent.
Awesome. It sounds great.
Yeah, no, it went very well.
Really
A
cool.
few little things. I see I got some oil.
Oh yeah, a little bit of oil
now.
coming out.